Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, I look like I got a unibrow because I just did my eyebrows and I didn't clean them up, so that's good and fresh and amazing. For today's video, I'm going to be testing out some new makeup that I got for Black Friday deals. Well, Black Friday deals that were before Black Friday because I didn't actually shop on Black Friday because my bank was on hold. So I've gotten a lot of things in the past couple weeks. My hair's a mess. Everything's a mess. My eyes are primed with my concealer and my eyebrows, and yeah, so we're gonna go right into the video because I don't got that much to say. I also got a new beauty blender. I got some new brushes. I got everything. So this is gonna be like a full-on first impressions. I think I got one for everything except like primer and all that. But what I'm going to be trying is the Total Moisture facial cream from Benefit. It came in this little sample. Oh, I guess this on my nose because my nose is super dry. I actually tried this before, so I'm kind of cheating right now, but I didn't buy any new moisturizers, so I'm gonna have to use this because everything is super dry right now. This moisturizer I've tried before and it's like super hydrating, but it's super expensive. So that's why I get samples. I can't afford to buy like a $30 moisturizer. Okay, so I wet the sponges, and the sponges I'm gonna be using for the video are Juno & Co sponges. So I got 4 actually. These are both damped, so I'm gonna show you the difference. So this is damped and then not damped. So yeah, I got 4 and I got 2 of each different kind. Okay, so this one is the microfiber velvet sponge, and then this one's the microfiber fusion sponge. So they feel like spongy obviously, but like they feel really cool and they're like furry. So we're gonna see how that works to apply our foundation. But since I use a Benefit moisturizer, I'm just gonna use a Benefit primer, and I'm gonna use my Professional. I didn't buy a new moisturizer or primer, so that's why I'm using the same stuff that I usually use because I didn't buy one. For foundation, I'm going to be trying out the ColourPop No Filter foundation. So this is the foundation. It might be a little too light, and the concealer is extremely too white. I'll just go in with bronzer and all that. So this is in the shade medium 100, and then this one's in the shade light 10. But like you can't really tell on the website which one you're buying, so that's why it's super light. And I'm just gonna put the foundation on. Wait, hold up, I have the Cover FX drops. Some people use them before foundation, so I'm gonna try that. I'm just like, oh my god, I'm gonna see what it does to my foundation. Maybe it's gonna give it like a glow. I'm hoping, because I'm pretty sure that's the use of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the foundation. It's super liquidy, and I'm gonna use the microfiber sponge, or is this this is the velvet one. I'm gonna use this to put on the foundation. This is like full coverage so far. The sponge feels super weird on my face, and I believe the sponge is meant so that you get like as much usage of your foundation as possible. So that's probably another reason why it looks super full coverage. Let me know if you want me to do the sponge challenge. It's you using the sponge only to apply your full face of makeup. It definitely gives me like a glow, but the coverage of the foundation is really nice. So this is what I look like so far. I do have a new baking powder, and this is from Revolution. It's the banana powder. I don't know if I want to use it for under my eyes. I think I bought it for this because I always get a white cast from using the translucent powder. So I might just use my Maybelline Fit Me for under eyes, and then I'm gonna use the banana powder afterwards once I do the contour and all that. And I am going to use the dry one of this to set my face because it said on the website that it needs to be use dry to apply powders. I kind of want to use this one, but I'm just gonna use the same one that I used before because that one would have been better for the face, but I'm stupid and used the other one. Okay, so the base makeup looks really good. It's just super glittery because I'm stupid and I should have just waited with the cover effects, but it's fine. I applied some banana powder like over here because the powder, whenever I put powder on my face, it starts acting weird whenever my face is super dry. And my face was super dry this morning, and the powder just messed it up a little bit around here. Now that the eyes are covered in concealer, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. And I have two new eyeshadow palettes. I have the Ace Beauty palette, and I got this from my what's it called? What's his face? Oh, BoxyCharm. So I have this palette. I also have the Bretman Rock X ColourPop Wet palette. And this is how it looks. I think I want to use this one more than that one, but I'm going to be using both, hopefully, just to get like a good mixture. Yeah, none of them had a mirror, so I think for like my transitioning shade, I'm gonna use this shade from this palette. This is the Grandiose palette, by the way. To start off, I'm just gonna take a really fat brush and I'm gonna go into that. I like the pan sizes. The pan sizes are really good. That's how it looks like on the brush. Not too much kickback. And I'm just going to be applying that all over the lid. I'm just using this as like a base, kind of like setting the eye. That didn't do too much. It just kind of like darkened it a little bit, or like brought it back to life, gave it like more of a skin tone look. But that's how it looks so far. I think I want to go into blues, but first off I want to take the shade Skinny Legend from Bretman's palette, and I'm gonna take a blending brush. This is a diffusing crease brush. There's some kickback more than that palette. One thing I don't like about this palette too is the glitter. I love how it looks, but it rubs off. I feel like this eye is harder to work with, like all the time. And I feel like this whole look is not gonna match, but like I don't even care. And I'm definitely gonna go in with blues. Like I want blues. I'm gonna take the shade I'm Chillin'. I'm going to be taking that into my crease. So that's how it looks so far. I'm gonna take some more. Not too much kickback with this shade. Oh my god, this looks like a mess. Just to help blend everything out, I'm gonna go back into the Grandiose palette, and I'm gonna take that light shade that we took in the beginning just to help blend the edges out. So far it's super light. Basically adding more color and then blending out is what I'm doing right now. And to blend out, I'm using this Sigma E38 brush, and the fat brush is a Morphe M504. So this brush is like my favorite to blend out colors. It just blends out everything super nicely, especially if you want like a big look. It blends it out super high. So far this palette's okay. It's super pretty. So far I love this shade, but it's just super like light. So that is the first color. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on this eye. It helps if you grab like a lot on the brush to begin with and then work with that, which is a first for me. Like I always start off super little. Okay, so this is the first shade on the eyes. I kind of look super crazy, but we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter concealer, and I'm going to be using that to cut the crease. I'm using hella ColourPop stuff in this video. Okay, so this is what I got so far, and I definitely want to use the shades in this palette. So I think first I'm gonna take LOL I'm Crying, which is like this really pretty light blue. There's this one too, but I think I want to use this one. I'm gonna take the shade Thickums, which is like a silver, and I swatched this one, and this one's super pretty, and I'm gonna put this closer to the inner corner. And then lastly, for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Finish, which is like a light blue shade. He's funny for this one. I'm gonna go into the Grandiose palette. I'm gonna take the shade Jasmine. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner, like the inner corner. Like I feel officially bougie. Like I deadass feel officially bougie. For lashes, I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in the style Miami, that like Kim Kardashian uses. So bitch, I'm bougie. I don't care anymore. And there was a sale, so like I had to. Like don't come for me for buying $30 $30 lashes. I haven't bought a new mascara, so I'm just gonna use my regular fat lash one. This is my like favorite all-time mascara. I bought some new ones. I bought 2 new ones, I think. So just in honor of those in the mail, I'm gonna use this one. These better be worth the hype, like they better be gorgeous. Like I better be stunning after this. Okay, so I put on the lashes and they are really, really pretty. Y'all see this? I feel so bougie. I haven't gotten any new bronzers or contouring stuff, so I'm just gonna use my butter bronzer. But I got a new brush, and this is from Juno & Co, and it's the ES05, and I believe this is a blush brush, but it looks like it can be a bronzing brush, so I'm gonna try it out. My nose looks a little rough from the powder. I do like this brush though. It's applying the bronzer really nicely. Now to clean it up, the bronzer, I'm gonna use my banana powder. This powder is kind of hard to work with because of the application, or like the container, because you have to like pour it out. I'm just going to bronze up my nose a little bit. Maybe it'll cover up this mess that's going on it. It's like super splotchy. And it's never the foundation that does that, it's always the powder, because it looks perfect without the powder on, but once I put the powder on, it completely messes it up. Okay, yeah, this looks completely better. This makes it look more skin tone like and not like fake like. I'm going to take the Cover FX drops one more time. I'm going to be putting that right there. Ooh, that does not look good. You can't, oh, you can tell, I think. It does not go well with powders under. I'm just gonna tap that in for the rest, because that did not look good with powder over top or powder under. It literally made the powder move from where it was. I have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter. If I can open it. This is the highlighter. Ew, you can see my setup. And this is in the shade Sarco. I can't say this, but this is the shade of it. And that one had a little bit of kickback, and I'm going to be applying that over top. And this highlight, I love this highlight now. This is gonna be my go-to highlight from now on. I got a couple new things for lips. First off, I got the lippy pencil, the ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Curvy. I heard James Charles talking about this, so I'm definitely going to be using this in this video. I have the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Echo Park. And I bought the Kylie lip kit in the shade Kylie. So I think I'm going to use the lip pencil in the shade Curvy, and then I'm going to apply the Kylie lipstick. Okay, so it's obvious that I don't know how to align my lips, so don't come for me. I like how it applies. It applies super smoothly. It's more pinky than I thought. I think I finished. This look looks super nice. I really like the eyes. I just don't like that there's glitter all over my face. The powder messed up all over here, so I need to find a new setting powder for under my eyes, because the Maybelline Fit Me isn't doing it for me right now, because I have super dry skin and it's winter and it sucks. The eyes is probably my favorite. The lid lashes are super pretty. I really like the lip pencils. They're super nice. Jeffree's highlight is shapoppin' for sure. So yeah, those are like my highlights of this whole entire look. The foundation looks really nice. It's just messed up over here, so like I can't give it like a full good review because of the powder. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe down below for some more videos. If you like me and want to see more, go ahead and do all that. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to put mascara under here, but you know what, it looks decent without it, so we're just gonna roll and pretend I didn't do that. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you. Peace out. Bye.